Hi kids, welcome back to High Five Science Edition. This is episode 5, Vocabulary. The 5 words that we're going to learn today are dropper, dropper, microscope, microscope, observe, observe, magnet, magnet, test tube, test tube. Now we are going to do the spelling drill. Let's start with the first word. Let's spell dropper. D R O P E R. Dropper. The next word is microscope. M I C R O S C O P E. Microscope. The next word is observe. O B S E R V E. Observe. Let's spell magnet. M A G N E T. Magnet. And our last word is test tube. T E S T T U B E. Test tube. Now I'm gonna show you some pictures to help you better understand each word. Our first word is dropper. A dropper looks like this and this. A dropper is a device used to transfer small quantities of liquids. Can you use a dropper to transfer sugar and salt? Of course not. Sugar and salt are not liquid. How about this? Can you use a dropper to transfer milk or juice? Yes, juice and milk are liquids. Next, we have microscope. This is the picture of a microscope. Have you seen one before? A microscope is a tool used to see tiny objects. A microscope makes things look bigger. Do you need a microscope to see the trees? No. The trees are big enough for us to see. Do you need a microscope to see a car? Nope. How about the virus? Do you need a microscope to see COVID-19? Yes, we cannot see the virus with our naked eye. That's why you should be very, very careful. Observe. To observe means to gather information using the senses and instruments. What are the 5 senses? We have sight. We use our eyes to see, our ears to hear. We use our nose to smell, our tongue to taste, and our skin to touch or feel. We also use instruments in making observation. What are some of the instruments that we can use? We have the microscope. We can also use a magnifying glass or a test tube. Magnet. A magnet is a piece of metal that attracts another metal object. Let's make that clear. A magnet attracts only another metal. Magnets also hold things together. Can we use magnets with a teddy? No, a teddy is not a metal. Can we put magnets on a refrigerator door? Of course we can. A refrigerator door is made of metal. Test tube. It looks like this. A test tube is a glass container used in a scientific laboratory. Now we will translate the English words into Thai words. Number 1, dropper. What does it mean in Thai? A dropper means very good. Number 2, microscope. Number 3, observe. Number 4, magnet. And number 5, test tube. Very good. Let's recall the 5 words. Read with me. Number 1, dropper. Dropper. Microscope. Microscope. Observe. Observe. Magnet. Magnet. Test tube. Test tube. Write it on your vocabulary notebook. Write the English words and the Thai words. High five, kids! You did a great job today. Don't forget your homework. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week.